In this example, I'm going to walk through using Ibex for flatbed cutting. In my workspace, I already have imported my contours. Now, this represents the boundary of whatever I've printed on some rigid material that I want to cut out using my machine. You'll notice that I already have my registration marks or fiducials as well, and this is what I'm going to use to adjust the contours for cutting. So I'm going to select everything in my drawing, and I'm going to go to the Edit ribbon, and I'm going to go to the Flex Distort option. When I open that, I'm going to go to the Auto Detect option here. And what this does is it's going to automatically detect my registration marks or fiducials in my drawing and select those for editing. So if I click on the center mark, its position is updated in the pin position field. And then here I can then adjust the XY position to represent the real world position of that mark. And you'll see when I do, the contour is then adjusted to match that distortion. I can then select the other pins and do the same thing and get everything slightly adjusted to match what the real world position of these contours are. If at any point I decide I've made a mistake and want to start over, I can select the Reset Pins button and reset the pins all back to their original position. But in this case, if I decide this looks good, I can select Apply, and the contours are then updated to match the position based on those pin positions I updated. Now I'm ready to select these contours, go to my Tool Pathing ribbon, select one of my saved profile cuts, apply it, and now this is ready to go to the machine and cut out. That's it for this example on Ibex.